Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this soft glam pink makeup look right here. If you want to know how I got this look, keep watching. To go ahead and prime my face with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer. This is a mattifying primer. So this is it right here. I'm going to apply it on my T-zone area, on the nose, the areas I get very oily. Those are the areas I'm focusing the primer at. And for foundation today, I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and I'm in the shade Caramel. For today's look, I'm going for a very full coverage look, which I haven't done in a very long time. So I'm first going to shake it up and then go in with a few pumps, like 3. Let's start with 3 for now. So I'm going to go in with 3 pumps of that. So I'm first going to go in with my brush to blend it out. To apply it on my face. So now I'm going to go over with my sponge and then, blend everything out smoothly. So next step, I'm going to go ahead and do my concealer. And for concealer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. To apply that, I'm going to be using the Real Techniques brush to apply that. And for contour, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, which is in the shade Dark Cocoa. First going to apply it on the forehead like so. So I'm first going to apply it on the forehead like so. And then come all the way down. So to blend it out, I'm going to use the brush I used to apply my foundation, because we have some of the foundation on it, so it's going to make blending much easier for me and faster as well. So I'm going to blend it upwards into the hairline, as you can see. Blending is done. Since our concealer has been sitting on for a while, I'm going to go ahead and blend it out as well. And to blend it out, I'm going to go in with my sponge, starting with the chin. And whenever you are blending out anything, whenever you are doing your makeup in general, make sure to blend anything you are blending with a very soft hand. Don't be too aggressive with your blending. Be very light-handed with your makeup application, and it will come out very nice. It wouldn't look patchy or anything. I'm going to go ahead and set the under eyes with this powder right here, and this is the Zico palette. So I'm going to take the lightest shade here, aside from the white, this one right here, and then set the under eyes with it. So that is also done. Next step, I'm going to set the rest of the face using the second lightest shade here. Now let's go ahead and bake. And to bake, I'm using my Nars light reflecting setting powder. I'm going to use that to bake because it's very light and it's going to give me that bright under eyes as well. Baking is done. I'm going to leave it on to, you know, still bake. Okay, and I'm going to dust off this part, you know, and leave the under eyes. I'm going to put you guys on time lapse, do my brows, and then come back and continue with you guys. As you can see, my brows are done, and I went ahead to set my lid as well with a concealer, the same concealer I used to, you know, conceal the under eyes and, you know, the high point of my face. So now I'm going to go ahead and set my lid a little bit. It's still sticky, the lid is still sticky, but not very sticky. So I'm going to leave it like this. So I like to go in with something like this kind of brown as my transition shade, and then apply that in the crease. Oh guys, I've forgotten one step. Before anything else, I like to set my brow bone. I'm going to do that now. Set the brow bone with the lighter shade like this, and then for my transition shade, I'm going in with the brown eyeshadow. Blend that in the crease, and then take it all the way in, you know, in like this, to kind of contour you know, the nose and the eyes as well, to bring some shape to the eyes. So that is done. Next, I'm going to go in with this dark one. Like, I'm basically using my face powder as my eyeshadow, and it works perfectly. So I'm going to apply that at the outer V. I'm focusing that at the outer V, and then, you know, I'm packing it out there like that. So we are going to take it in, but gradually, you know, blend it in like so. So as you can see, the edges are looking too sharp, and we don't want that. So we are going to get rid of that. So to do that, we are going to dip into a lighter shade, and I'm taking this one right here. This is light. So yeah, I'm going to take that and then diffuse out the edges, putting everything out. You can see we are nice and diffused. Everything is diffused out. So I'm going to go in with the concealer, and as you can see, I have it at the back of my hand. So as you can see, I have it at the back of my hand. I'm going to take my finger, middle finger, and then tap it on the lid like so. So I'm basically doing this, not like cutting my crease, because I don't want anything to look too sharp here. So yeah, this is going to help clean out the space. So as you can see, my lid space is clean now. I'm going to go in with this glitter glow gel by Color Box. This is the pink one, and guys, you don't know how excited I am to be using this. It's a very, let me see if, yeah, it's very beautiful. Okay, it has this iridescent colors in it, and it's so nice. Can you see this? This is so nice. So I've tapped into it with this flat brush. I'm going to tap it on the lid like so. Oh my god, this This is so pretty. I'm going to go in with the dark brown at the outer V of the eye to blend these two shades together.
Late nights, been on long flights, stayed on strange time.